Hello and welcome to the C-Card video tutorial. My name is Sergey and today we are going to speak about shipping methods and everything that is related to them. Let's roll! Okay guys, I made some preparations and filled up the fields in the billing and shipping address. Now we can continue to the shipping options. And first I would like to tell you, when you enter the address, some of the shipping methods may calculate the shipping cost automatically. Okay, let's proceed. For now we have only one shipping method here, custom shipping method. That is because all other shipping methods haven't been set up. Shipping methods are located at administration, shipping and taxes, shipping methods. This is the shipping methods page. Here you can edit already existing methods. You can change its delivery time, weight limit, just on this page, without going into the settings. You can change its user group. For example, you can make USB serial mail to be available for registered users only, or any other groups. You can delete it, of course. You can activate it and disable it, and you can delete selected, by the way. And of course you can add the new shipping method. Now I'm going to create a new shipping method and explain you all shipping settings in practice. For example, let's call this one Canada Post. Description, like Canada Post is for Canada only. Description is specific information about this method that is displayed on the shipping methods tab at the checkout. Okay, rate calculation, manual by default location. You enter these values manually. For real-time calculation, you use the carrier. For example, Australia Post, Canada Post in our case. You choose shipping service, Canada Post priority courier, that doesn't really matter. You can calculate shipping cost if you wish, but to make it work, I mean real-time rate calculation, to make it work, you will need courier data, shipping service data, and you have to make a contract between you and the post service. For now, let's stick to the real-time. Delivery time from 2-3 days. Weight limit from 0 to 100 pounds. Status active extra, you can add the icon of a method, apply taxes to it, and choose to what user group it will belong. If you want to make some shipping methods to be available only for VIPs or for the wholesale customers, this setting is for you. Use for free shipping. If this setting is enabled, it will exclude products with enabled free shipping option from the shipping price calculation. Some products can be delivered for free if you enable the same setting but at the product settings page. And if you enable this setting here, the free shipping will be applied. Okay? Clear? Now let's click create. And after we chose Career and Shipping Service, there will be Configure tab. There will be Merchant ID and other specific parameters, and shipping charges. Here you can add some additional cost dependencies, weight dependencies, and item dependencies that will increase the cost of the shipping. Because I don't have a contract with Canada Post, I cannot show you how the real-time shipping works. So now let's turn to the manual one. Configure tab has disappeared because now there is no carrier and there is no service, only shipping charges. Dependencies are still here, but now you can set up specific dependencies for specific locations. And by the way, for now, cost dependency, weight dependency, item dependency became not the additional values, but the main one. For example, we speak about Canada Post. So, products cost, more than 0, rate value. This will be the default shipping cost. For example, 25, something like that. You can make it in dollars or in percents, for example 25%, but that's too much from the order. So let's stick to dollars. Weight dependencies. More than, not zero, let it be zero, but for example more than 50 pounds will cost you additional $5. And item dependencies, I think that's clear. Click save, and this plus symbol tells us that the changes has been applied and this shipping method works correctly. Speaking about vacations, you can find vacations at administration, shipping and taxes. Shipping and taxes, vacations. Different vacations allow you to add different rates for different countries. For example, you can have specific rates for Canada, specific rates for the United States, and all other countries will have the same rate for every. For example, the same rate will be applied to Japan, the same rate will be applied to Brazil. And for example, if you have if you want to have another specific locations, you just choose Brazil, for example. Push it here. All right. There are also specific locations for the states, something specific for postal codes, cities, and even for addresses. Yeah, we'll code Brazil, create, and after that you go back to the shipping methods, shipping charges, and you can add specific shipping charges for Brazil only. That's how it works. For example, more than zero will cost you 35. That's how you work with manual rate calculations and locations. Now let's speak about everything that influence the shipping methods and shipping step. I have already spoken about the individual description, but you can also add some additional shipping tips to the shipping step. For this we need to go to administration, languages, translations, and find and use the variable called shipping tips. Here you can enter the new value test. It doesn't really matter, and save it. Well, after you save, this text will be displayed at every shipping method step under shipping options. There it is. Test. By the way, yeah, I think I forgot to enable my Canada post for United States. That's why it doesn't work. Just give me a second. Save. Let's check it. Fine. Now we have two shipping methods, and this is the unique description of this shipping method. Alright, let's move on. Settings also influence shippings. For example, settings, checkout, and here you can disable shipping method step. For example, if you have only one shipping method, or if you don't deliver anything, you can just disable it. Add-ins can also influence the shipping methods. For example, store locator add-in. Here you can add the locations of your stores in order to give your customers an opportunity to pick up products for themselves. So you just give the name, the position in the column, give the description, for example, how to get to the store and where this store is located in the coordinates. This can be used for couriers delivery. For example, when your customer asks you to deliver it to the store and later your customer will pick it up. Or the customer can just come to the local store and pick up a product for him or herself if the customer lives nearby. Alright, and if we continue to speak about add-ons, some of the post services can be added with add-ons if they are downloaded from the marketplace. I don't know, some specific, like I don't know, maybe China Post and some other country-specific shipping methods. I think that's it about shipping related add-ons. And one last thing that can influence the shipping methods is the promotions. Here here we already have one shipping promotion, free shipping coupon. For example, when you buy 100 plus products and receive free shipping, it doesn't matter what the shipping method will be, any shipping will be free if this coupon is applied. But you can make something more specific. For example, add cart promotion, name, free Canada shipping. Well, let's keep you can make it available from until, so to make it work not all the time but a limited offer. Add condition, birthday, customer state, customer country, for example shipping, equal Canada, let's find it, CC Canada, done, and bonuses, order discount, free shipping. And there also might be some other conditions. For example, your customer might buy something from electronics, and he or she will also get the free shipping. For example, this works with Canada Post and this one works with FedEx. That's how promotions work together with shipping methods. That was a detailed review of shipping methods in CS Card. Thanks for watching and see you in the next CS Card video tutorials.